This clip will provide you with a walkthrough of the soft admin component DetailView. Let us start by choosing a menu item of the type DetailView. Start with Search Customers. Type UI as the search parameter value to narrow down the search result. The results are displayed in a grid. Click on Squid Enterprises. This is a menu item of the type DetailView. The DetailView main purpose is displaying lots of detailed information for a single object in the database, including child objects. The DetailView supports both top buttons and info boxes like address, information, and log. Info boxes are expandable and collapsible. They can be expanded or collapsed as default. The DetailView also supports tabs, which you can see at the bottom of the page. The tabs can display other menu items that use the grid component. Let us take a look at the links to and from this menu item. Click on Links to and from this menu item in the Developer menu. Links to and from this menu item are displayed on this page. We can sort the links by the direction of the links. We can see 3 top buttons: New Order, Booking Calendar, and Edit Company. We can also see 3 tabs: Contacts, Bookings, and Orders. To add a new link, click on New Link. Here you must enter From menu item and To menu item. The From menu item is pre-filled with the current menu item. Link type is also entered, which, for a DetailView, can be top link for a top button, mini view tab link for a tab, InfoSQL link for links in info boxes. Return to the DetailView 2 steps back. We control which information that is displayed in the info boxes through T-SQL in a stored procedure in the database. To edit the T-SQL, click on Edit this menu item in the Developer menu. Scroll down to the SQL section of the page. Here you see a procedure named Customer.Company InfoSQL, which has the parameter companyid. Click on Edit to start the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with the correct stored procedure automatically opened. This is only possible if you have the Soft Admin Assistant installed on your local machine. The stored procedure which controls the information in the info boxes is displayed. We scroll down and see that the procedure's name is Customer Company InfoSQL. The parameter company ID controls which company that will be displayed in the info boxes. The basic structure of an info box SQL procedure starts with a select statement with a result set column named maintitle. Maintitle is a reserved word and will always be displayed as the heading of the DetailView. Each info box are created by an individual select statement. Title is a reserved word and will be displayed as the heading of the info box. Other columns will be displayed as rows in the info box. The info boxes for information and log also has a select statement. This way, you can build info boxes of your choosing with information from any part of the database. Exactly how the columns are displayed in the info boxes can later be controlled by metadata in field info in Soft Admin. Let us go back to Soft Admin. We are now back on the DetailView page. It is possible to control the labels in the info boxes through so-called field info. Right-click on address to edit the field info for that column. It is possible to control how the column information will be displayed in the user interface. I can change the field label to address to. Scroll down and save. We can now see that the label has been changed from address to address to. Let us go back to the SQL. If we want to add new fields, we need to retrieve them from the database. Let us look at a simple example. Here I add a new result set column dummy with the information example. Run execute to save. Let us go back to Soft Admin. Reload the page. We can now see our new field with the value example and heading dummy. We can also see that it has a missing label, which means that we have not yet added any field info to our new field. Right-click on the missing label. Here we can add new field info and enter the label to something that is more user-friendly. Field info and info boxes also have other features. For example, it is possible to show an info box in full width or information without having a label. You can learn more about info boxes and all its features in the soft admin documentation. Thank you for watching.